What I'm about to share with you in this video is going to be the easiest and quickest way for you to manifest your special person. I know that up to this point, this has seemed to be one of the hardest things for you to actually do, but in this video, I'm going to break it down in a way for you to fully understand and actually see you manifest your specific person. So let's get right into it. The first thing that we need to understand is that when we are trying to manifest our specific person, we need to understand the assumptions that we are having about actually manifesting that person. Like any desire that we are trying to manifest into our life, what is going to determine whether we actually see it or not is going to come down to the assumptions that we are having towards that manifestation. What a lot of us struggle when it comes to manifesting our specific person is that we have limiting beliefs in our abilities to be able to do this. You may feel like you are not worthy of love. You may feel like you're just gonna mess it up when it happens, or the most common issue that I see is that most clients are not fully healed from a previous relationship. So you are subconsciously sabotaging manifesting that specific person. We need to understand that our brain's number one job is to protect us. It wants to keep you safe from everything. That is literally its job. And it is going to do everything in its power to do that. And what is included in that is for you to not experience negative emotion that is going to harm you. Your subconscious mind does not know that that person that you are trying to manifest is actually going to be a good thing for you. It's just doing its job. It's like the strongest military defense in the world. And when we can begin to understand this, this is when we can start to create a healthy relationship with our subconscious mind and stop sabotaging our manifestations. So the way that we do this is to become the version of you that already has that specific person in their life. You need to fully think, feel, and believe that that person is already right now with you. I know that this sounds weird, but stay with me here. It's important to change the narrative of what is possible for you in your love life. There is so many different things that you have been told about what is true for you, or things that you've begun to believe in experiences that you had with past relationships, and you need to begin to let go of those things. There might be things that we need to learn from and understand about ourselves to improve ourselves, and that's okay. But I can guarantee you that 100% of those limiting beliefs that you're having about yourself are not true, and they're leading you down the path of not being able to see that specific person manifest into your life. That old version of you, those old beliefs, those old thoughts, those old emotions that you're having that is limiting you from manifesting that specific person no longer serve you today. They are done, and we need to get to that point where we are done and we are confident in our ability to be able to manifest and bring into our life the person that is exactly who we need and want in our life. And the biggest secret when it comes to this that nobody really talks about when it comes to manifesting a specific person is to not focus on the specific person that you're trying to manifest. I know, let me explain. The best way for me to explain this is let's do a little exercise and play along with it, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so say that I'm a person that is all powerful and I'm sitting down right in front of you, and I tell you right now that everything that I'm going to tell you is the truth. Like, this is concrete, like this is going to happen for you. And I say that you are going to have a specific person come into your life, and they are going to be your perfect match of everything that you want and desire in your lover. They are going to love you genuinely. They are going to make you laugh. They are going to love you unconditionally and give you everything that you could want and more in a lover. What would you say to that? You would be happy. You would be accepting. You say, yes, sign me up today, right? And then I say, great, this is awesome. I actually have great news for you. They're here right now. And I go up and open the door, and they aren't the specific person that you had in mind right now for your lover. Are you now going to reject that person because they're not the specific person that you are thinking of right now? Or are you going to run into their arms and go and live your happily ever after together? You better choose that second option, because that is what you've been manifesting. That specific person is the emotions and the feelings that you want to express and feel in that life. And it doesn't matter what exactly that person is when you see them in the 3D physical world, because the universe wants what you want, and the way that you communicate that to the universe is the emotions and feelings and beliefs that you have towards that special person. It doesn't matter who walks through that door, because we know that the universe has our back, and we know and trust our own intuition to feel that that is our specific person. And if you want to learn how to unlock your manifesting powers even more, check out these videos which are going to help you do just that.